Hello everyone, welcome back to another Animal Jam video. You may notice that I'm on this weird account because I don't really know why I'm on this weird account, but apparently someone was doing this account giveaway and I won this account, I guess. And now I'm just gonna do a bunch of random things on this account and we're gonna have fun with it. So we're just gonna do a bunch of random things. We're gonna act like cool kids. We're gonna get people to join our us. So let's go into Jamal Township and see what kind of magic stuff is there. Yee. Go into something that won't just have trading. This is good. But here we are in the world. Why are you sad, Mr. Box? We're gonna ask him why he's sad. Why are you sad, Mr. Box? Please tell me, Mr. Box, what's wrong? As he sobs. Here, let's go find a role play, cause those are always fun. Come on, we're gonna find a role play together. Oh, I am forever alone in my tiny corner. Oh, yee. Who has sheep cloak? I will trade many clothing better than I have one. But okay, so let's see here. Who should we go into rent? Oh wait, I know what to do. We're gonna put on open world just for now. We're gonna go into the adoption center and we're going to become we're gonna see what kind of role plays are in here, because there's always a bunch of weird stuff that happens in here. Oh, you don't know those weird. Oh god. Okay. Yep. School, my den. Perfect. Okay. So we're gonna go in here, and I know what we're gonna do in here. Hey, who wants to be friends? Let's. Yep. We're gonna go in here and we're gonna ask people to be our friend. Hey, be my friend. Be my friend. Be. Oh. Okay, we're gonna go and follow that person. Who wants to be friends with a deformed dragon? Who wants to be friends with a deformed dragon? Oh, are you serious? Who wants to be friends with a deformed dragon? I think that'll work. Oh, perfect. Who wants to be friends with the deformed dragon? I breathe bubbles. I breathe bubbles. Please be my friend. Let's do some love emojis. Hearts. Hearts. Okay, let's try and do something else, kids. I know what we should do. We're gonna go with this, and we're gonna just, you know, what is this? What does this game become? Let's go find some people, and we're gonna go up to them, and we're gonna just do stuff. Yeah. Who will be my friend? We're gonna make ourselves look cool, guys. We're gonna be the very best and catch them all. We're gonna be Pokemon. We're gonna catch them all. We're gonna get rid of our pet. I'm sorry. I've always loved you, pet. Roly boy. I've always loved you, Roly boy. Let's go up to some people. Come on, we have to find some friends. I need friends. Hi. Hi. Stampy Longhead. Hi. Stampy, hi. Stampy, hi. Hello. 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 Please. Hello. I'm gonna say, says hi. Okay, no. Hello. Hello. What's up? Because that's what cool people say. What's up? Whoa, what is up? I'm Mr. Deformed. I'm Mr. Deformed Dragon. If you wanna know. Looks at infinity. Who's infinity? Am I infinity? I'm not infinity. Rip. Let's go follow them. Come on. Hey. Hey. Are you lonely? Please talk to me. Okay, guys, we're not making any friends here, so we're gonna have to leave. I'm sorry. Oh wait, they said yeah. Okay, friend me. Be my friend now. We're gonna run away together in the sunset. To the magic of Jamont Township. Let's make ourselves a buddy and we're gonna get adopted now. Let's be a baby. Okay, that's perfect. We're gonna name ourselves a large chili Viking. Yeah, I think that's good. I think it's perfect. Y'all are scared, okay. I'm scared. Let's all just run away and pretend this never happened. Okay, come on. In we go. Out we go. In. Come on. Okay, let's make it in. Okay, we made it. Wow, we're successful. Woo. Alright, let's now put on that and put on the cute eyes and say, I'm a child, adopt me. I'm a child, adopt me. I'm a child, adopt me. I will be your Wifeys. I'll be your wifey's kid. Oh, God damn it. I will be your son. I will be your son. I will be your son. There's so many rare people here. Let's just wait a minute. I'm just you can't trade. Sad. Be my son. I'm sad. Maybe we'll just go into someone's den. Oh, then me. Potassium. I know you want to. Yeah. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this weird account video. I'm probably gonna do part 2, but for now, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.